god.
What?
Oh my god. Oh!
What? Make sure there's no babies in the car.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, we gotta make sure there's no babies in the car. We have to make sure.
My god! Boo, are you okay?
An instant of startled silence, and then Karoo.
$30,133, the new death toll from COVID-19 in the United States after hundreds more people recently lost their lives. The CDC also confirming nearly 3 million cases of infection since the start of the pandemic. This is NPR News.
ILH 668
comes from DuckDuckGo.
Call 911.
We just slow down because people are...
Whoa!
Jesus, he just hit us. Too late, I mean...
Whoa, what's the bus doing? Jesus Christ! What the fuck was that? What the fuck?
Like totally cool and positive, and like he's just like oblivious. Holy fuck! Oh my god, dude! I cannot believe woo!
But he did it. Oh, doggy! You got it, buddy. You got it. You got it. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good.
Definitely set him apart from his colleagues. There is a reason Gaius Marius was moved from treatment, and by the end of the day, those reasons should be abundantly clear.
Ah! Fuck! Fuck! Are you okay, Suki?
We struggle to get leftists to even come out. Of course, the grifter drama leftists want to come out, but people who want to come and just argue. Is that the best they have to offer, I guess? The leftists, we've had success with,
Hi, Carney the Tuna, getting ready to finally hit the open road.
Road trip, huh? Got a Febreze carbon clip in there?
Febreze carbon?
Yeah, can't have a road trip without Febreze. Freshens your ride for up to
somehow inherently bad for you, but literally everything in the universe is made of chemicals.
Even there, it's better than analog.
He's denying the allegations, says that his lawyer plans to fight all the charges, and he's saying they're all...
Hey, where are you going, Dumbo?
Whoa!
What the fuck?
Oh my god!
Godly racket. So it's this big steel patrol boat. It's probably 50 feet long. It's got lots of rust all over the place. And it slows down and it starts circling us. On the front of it, it's got a tri.
Oh my god, baby.
That's okay, that's okay.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
He didn't hit anybody.
I wonder if prices are going down. Oh shit. Oh my god.